Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Wednesday, August the 30th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. This is the address to get into the room. This is a link to follow, and it is a free room. Click on that link. You'll send us your email. We'll send you one back. You create a password one time, and you don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to participate in our room. Any questions you might have for me, this is the email you can use, and I open the room at about 9 o'clock Eastern Time. That's when I start to share my screen, and I get live on the mic at 9:05. If you want to take out a subscription to Trade Ideas, you can use that link right there. All right, well, let's see. A lot of activity in the room today. Let's take a look at Vera, first of all. Vera is something that we noticed in the pre-market. Earnings play on the surface looked excellent. Here's where it closed yesterday, at 987 approximately, or I guess right up here. And then here's this tan area here is the pre-market. Looked excellent. But, you know, we started watching this starting to fall and fall. Reminded me a lot of Hain yesterday. And there's that topping tail. You know, the buyers tried to take it up. Sellers knocked it down, and then they continued. So I was looking at this and, okay, I want to short this one. So I waited for a 10 break, and I ended up shorting this at about 992. Right about here. And look what happened afterwards. I mean, it sort of popped around a little bit, but eventually it really started to fall. And I love to say that I ended up covering everything right down here. Not quite. I covered at 933, 923, and 931, as it was just kind of in this area here. But turned out to be on a percentage basis. I know I get kidded for that, but on a percentage basis, it turned out to be a really nice trade. So, and I know a lot of people in the trading room participated, and really it was just a matter of seeing the ones that were moving in the pre-market. I had it on a thumbnail chart, and then it was just watching this action, and I thought, wow, this is pretty interesting. If it ever goes negative, look out, and that's what it did. FTech seems like a long time ago. I took this trade early. Had a lot of was pretty enthusiastic to take this trade. Got into it right here at 112. Looked like it was going to really rip higher, and it just didn't. So took it at 112 and got out at 101. So that was the very first trade I took, and I took a little bit of a loss on that one. HIIG, another one. I was looking to swing this one. I'm still interested in it. All right, we got some chart issues here. Let me get another one here because this is the one I'm in right now. Okay. MATX. Okay, this is from Holly. There's the alert, Holly 2490. I'm in right here at 2508. Okay, and one of the reasons, now Holly had a very great day actually. Let me just put the mark up here. Had a very good day. Take a look at the daily here. I saw a lot of charts that look kind of like this, in which if you look left, there's room. That's what I love, of course. You know, I love to see the ones that have room when you look left, because, you know, if there's no chart resistance, then in theory, you know, you can put on some multiple dollar swings in these. And this is one that, you know, I might swing. Now, look, right here is obviously an area that it has to get through. So, I mean, that probably will prevent me from swinging it. But if it got through this, and, you know, I mean, look at the potential void. I mean, that's $25. We're up to 30 here, so we're looking at a potential $5 void. So anyway, we'll see what happens by the end of the day. Now, this is a swing trade for me. You guys were in the room yesterday. You know that I took this one to the 15-minute time frame. Took this one right about here on the 35 break. It was right here, 3504. Held it. And this is actually a Holly alert today, 3534. Did not add to it, but this is turning out to be a very nice looking swing trade. Why? Look at this daily. I mean, this is what you love to see. So that's why I decided to hold this. People ask me all the time, well, what determines, because I don't swing trade very often, what determines why I would hold something? if it closes near the high of the day, and also if a chart looks like this with no real resistance until $15, I will certainly take a look at something like that. And let's see if I can get the HIIG to load here. Yeah, I don't know what's happening. Interesting. Well, this was a frustrating trade. I got in at around 25. I was looking to swing it actually, 37.28, and I just took myself out at 37. I don't know why it's not loading. Hopefully there's not a little glitch in the program. Say take it to a 5-minute. Nope. Take it to a daily. Let's see if the daily comes up. Nope. Oh well. I won't belabor the point. I got the wrong symbol. I might have. Oh, I know why. I think that's the wrong. Well, that's why. Here I'm blaming the program. It's HIIQ. So anyway, I'm still kind of interested in this one. You see how it, if you look at the daily, this is an all-time high here. It just didn't quite. It was just a little too whippy, on the 15s. It was just a little too whippy. And you know what? Am I in the right one? HIIQ. 3610. Yeah. Oh, I know. I'm sorry. I'm looking at a 5-minute. That's why I'm seeing yesterday's action. So let me just get to the 15. There we go. Now, see how whippy it is, up and down, and now it's trying to come back. So I was in this one at 37, right up at 37. Now that's why I didn't want to hang on, and Eagle did not get in the way. I was wrong, got out, and did not hold as it just basically took a header for the rest of the day. But I am still interested in this one going forward. See if it can come back over 37 tomorrow. Look at IBB. This is really, really good. This is the ETF for the bios. Look at the move that it's had today, and more importantly, look at the time frame. Daily chart. So look at this. It looked like it was almost going to give up 300 a week and a half ago or so, and now it's starting to really recover. A lot of these bios are just flying. So that is it. So I'm still in the MATX. I'm hoping for a nice break. To get it maybe back over 25.20, and I'll see what I do with it later on. So exciting. We've got a lot of great traders in our trading room. Again, this is a free room. I know it's hard to believe. We don't ask for a credit card or anything. You can come into the room as a guest. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas. There's really no time limit either. It's not like it's a week-only pass. You can stay as long as you want. I mean, obviously, we'd like to think that you take out a subscription at some point. If you're a serious trader, you should want to know how to use our program and learn how to trade using our program, and then coming into the room and sharing the ideas and watching the ideas from all the other great traders that we have. All right, so let me just bring back the icon here. Oops. Okay, so I hope to see you in our trading room tomorrow. And other than that, have a great evening, everybody. Bye-bye.